Have you ever felt like you are doing everything right in your preparation? Reading the standard books, following toppers, watching strategy videos, and still something is missing. You are working so hard, but you are stuck. You are not alone. Because here is the truth. It's not always about what you study. It's about who is in your journey with you, who is guiding you. Let me take you back to the story of Arjun. Yes, the great warrior from Mahabharata. He had dedication, he had skill. But what gave him the edge? His surrounding and Dronacharya, his mentor. The one who guided his hand, sharpened his focus, and gave the direction to his power. Now imagine Arjun without Dronacharya. Would he have been the same warrior? That's what most civil services aspirants today are going through. They are Arjun, without mentor, without Dronacharya. Let me tell you about Riya, a brilliant girl, consistent, focused, but she kept missing prelims by just 2 marks. All she needed was someone to see her preparation from the outside and say, "This is where you are going wrong." One conversation, one strategy session that changed everything. Hello, I am Nivedita. From the last 12 years, I have mentored civil services aspirants and more than hundreds of them cracked the exam. But more than the results, what I am proud of is being there for those who were on the edge of giving up. Because clearing UPSC or any competitive exam is just not about the information. It's about transformation. And transformation needs a guide. Every year, more than 10 lakh aspirants register for this UPSC. But do you know what less than 1% of them have? A personal mentor or a guide. Someone to help them make sense of their chaos. Someone to say, don't do more, do what matters. Most aspirants drown in doubts. Am I studying the right thing? Why are my marks not improving? How do I balance revision, current affairs, and answer writing? One of my students reached out to me once, frustrated. He said, "Ma'am, I have all the books, but no plan." Again, one strategy session changed everything. He messaged me later, "I feel like I have woken up from a long confusion." That's the clarity mentorship brings. There are 3 kinds of people in your UPSC journey: your peers, your family, and your coach. Peers are fellow warriors, but they are also your competitors. Family gives you emotional support, but they can't tell you whether to do M. Lakshmikant once or 5 times. But a coach, they see your blind spots. They stop you from burning out. They show you how to win. It's like climbing Mount Everest. No one climbs it alone. Everyone has a Sherpa who knows the path, the pitfalls, and the right pace. In my one-to-one sessions, I don't give a fixed timetable because your journey is yours. I focus on 3 pillars. Clarity. Are you chasing someone else's dream or your own? Second, planning. What's your next 90 days goal? And a mindset, because stress and self-doubt are the biggest silent killers in this exam. I will take example of Priya. She had failed twice. We didn't start with the books. We started with belief. Today, she is preparing for her interview. So if you are feeling stuck, if you have ever thought, "I just need someone to guide me personally," then I am inviting you to book a one-to-one strategy session with me. This is not a class. This is not a sales call. This is a powerful 45-minute conversation to bring clarity to your journey. Check the link in the description. Click on the link and choose a time that works for you. I only take a limited number of students each week because I believe in depth, not crowd. You know what every topper has in common? They had a mentor. Someone to bring them back when they were lost. Someone to push them forward when they felt like quitting. Don't let pride stop you from asking for help. Don't let confusion waste your precious time. Asking for guidance is not weakness, it's a wisdom. You don't have to do this alone. So, here is my invitation. Let's talk. Let's decode your journey. Let's craft a real strategy. Let's remove the fog and bring clarity. Your dream matters and it deserves the right mentor. Click the link below, book your one-to-one strategy session, and let's not just prepare, let's prepare right with purpose, power, and a plan. Thank you.